Hi, my name is Paweł Spychalski and this is a call to action, kinda important one, directed to every single INAV user there in the world. The DJI FPV system is storming the hobby. When yesterday DJI showed that goggles can now talk to the Betaflight and get the OSD configuration and OSD elements straight from the flight controllers, immediately INAV users wanted to have such a feature implemented into INAV and started posting a feature request. Unfortunately, the truth is INAV, although we would like to see the DJI FPV OSD support in INAV, cannot do anything to make that happen. It's all up to DJI to implement support for the INAV flight controller to be able to display the OSD elements taken from INAV, just like it's doing with the OSD elements, telemetry, position, speeds, voltage taken from the Betaflight. Really, it is 100% up to the DJI to implement INAV support inside of the system. This is why it's right now, it's up to the INAV users to start demanding, asking DJI to do it. The only way for the INAV support appearing in the DJI FPV is to let the DJI know that we are there, that we are a group that can buy their products, but we really would like to see the INAV support over there. This is why what I ask you, every single of the INAV users out in the world, if you own the DJI FPV or if you are considering to buy DJI FPV or you want to buy DJI FPV, please, or only because you are using the INAV, please let the DJI know. Use the DJI support forum, contact the DJI support directly with chat, with email, with form, with whatever you can find. Let them know that INAV is out there and we want them to sell us their goggles, but if they will support INAV just like they are supporting Betaflight. It's really up to you. It's really up to you. DJI probably will not do anything if they don't know that INAV exists and that we are out there, that we are a group of people that might be worth investing some money for us. And if we succeed, then yes, fantastic, outstanding. If we fail, then unfortunately you will not be able to use DJI FPV OSD elements because just not. So let's get together and let's do it. I don't want to say spam, but let's let the DJI know that INAV exists and it's really worth that there are at least several thousand potential clients that might be interested into buying their hardware at one point of their life, but if DJI will support INAV. The links to the DJI support, the links to the support forum, or just the link to the DJI is in the description. Please use it. Let them know that we are expecting them to support INAV. That's all for today. Until the next one. Bye bye.